Are you saving up to buy a home and looking for ways to hit your goal even faster? I got some strategies that can help. If you're not doing this already, start budgeting and tracking your expenses. You need to know exactly where you're spending your money. Then cut down unnecessary purchases so that you can put down the money towards your home buying fund instead. I'm talking about things that you don't really need. No matter how small they are, you'll be surprised how quickly they add up. And if you want to take it to another step further, automate your savings. Have a portion of each paycheck go into your house fund, and if you have to set it aside manually, you may forget or talk yourself into spending the money instead. If you want advice from someone who's been coaching people through the home buying process for a while, let's connect. I know what it takes and I'm here to help. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. We serve the Chicagoland and the suburbs as well. Give me a call for a buyer's consultation, 773-550-4846.